position, we're going to be side lying over a block. And if you don't have a block, you can just use a rolled up blanket or a towel. You just want to have it about this thick so you can get a little bit of push on one side of your rib cage. So put your block or your rolled towel on the floor. You're going to come down, lying right over the block. So think about where your bra strap is and lay right over that section. So take your other arm to rest your head. You're going to have your knees and hips at 90 degrees here. So think about not clenching through the glutes, not rolling the spine here. So we're trying to keep pretty neutral and we're trying to open up through this space. So if you take your top knee and shift it slightly forward of the bottom knee, and take the top hand and kind of push your hip down towards the opposite wall. So when we do this, we're creating lots of length on this side of the rib cage. So take this hand, put it on the floor, and we're going to inhale into this side of the rib cage, keeping this top knee shifted forward, feeling the expansion into the back of the body, and then exhale, press the hand into the floor, thinking about this side of the waist coming off the floor, and there's a nice line through the midline from the pelvic floor through those deep abs to the rib cage coming back towards the spine. Inhale, expand. Exhale. Abs come on. Inhale through the nose. Exhale. Try not to squeeze the glutes here. The tension should be coming through the core muscles, not the back of the body. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, feel that expansion through the side of the rib cage. Make sure that hip's staying nice and long. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. And exhale. Okay, swapping over sides. So exactly the same setup. Come back down on that other side. Head resting on your arm. Knees at 90 degrees. Allow that left side to open now. So we're thinking about creating length here in the side of the rib cage, shifting that top knee slightly forward. So this will create a bit of a hip shift. Now the left hip is in front of the right hip. So again, we're inhaling into this side of the body, creating room in the rib cage. Press into the floor as you exhale from the bottom up. So exhale from the pelvic floor, through those deep abs. Should feel this side of the waist lifting away from the floor. Inhale. Exhale. Feel as the pressure of the inhale pushes into the back of the rib cage, down into the pelvic floor. Exhale from the bottom up. Inhale. Should be getting a nice expansion into the back of the rib cage here. Exhale, push into the floor. Remembering not squeezing the glutes. All of the tension should be in the front of the body. Inhale. Exhale, press into the floor. And last one, inhale. And exhale.